Hey guys, Clank Living Weight, and I'm going to do, finally, my tutorial for my gumball machine. So here it is. You're going to need a 6x12 plate with a 2x3 ramp and a 1x2 and a 1x1 flat brick there. Next, you're going to need a 1x8 stacked up 3 times. And then you're going to need a 2 3x4 ramps, 1 1x4 smooth brick, 3 1x4s, and a 2x4, sorry, like this. If you'd like, you can fill in these holes. A 1x10 stacked up 3 times. And a backwards L stacked up 3 times. Alright, that's pretty much it. Next, you're going to need 2 2x3s and 1 corner brick. And fill in the surrounding areas. Okay. After that, you're going to need a 1x10. Place it here. A 1x4 and a 1x2. Whoops, sorry. That does happen. After that, another 1x10 and a 1x2. Okay. And then fill in the extra spacing, like so. And you're going to need an L-shaped, stacked up twice, and 2 2x2 stacked up twice. After that, the surrounding area stacked up twice. Then just cover the top, and you have basically the shape of it. Now for the side here, you're supposed to use a 1x4 with a 1x2 on the side, but I use this just for now. A 1x1 and a 1x1 flat. And there you go. That's how I make my Lego gumball machine. If you want to see it work, check out my other video. I don't even know if it's where it is anymore. YouTube changed. Post a comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.